I'm Jennifer Wood, president at Dune Lakes Travel, and your go-to luxury travel expert for unforgettable river cruise experiences. Think you've seen it all when it comes to luxury travel? Think again. River cruises are redefining the way people explore the world. And today I'm giving you my top 4 reasons why a river cruise should be your next travel adventure. In this video, I will break down exactly why you must book a river cruise today. Stay with me until the end because I'll share an insider tip that will elevate your river cruise to a whole new level. If this is your first time seeing this video or watching this channel, please share the love. Hit that like and subscribe button below. Okay, let's get started. My number 1 reason a river cruise should be your next adventure is you always receive personalized service that feels exclusive. On a luxury river cruise, you get 5-star service without the crowds. The intimate setting means fewer passengers and a crew that knows your name and preferences. On my Talc 3 river cruise journey last October, everyone knew me by name by the end of the first day. When I sat down for a cocktail, I didn't have to ask. It just showed up to my surprise and delight. At dinner, the maitre d' knew that I loved white wine with my lighter dishes such as fish and chicken, and red wine with my heartier dishes such as steak. Imagine savoring a 5-course dinner while sailing past Europe's most breathtaking landscapes. Castles drape the landscape at every corner of your journey. You honestly feel like you are in another world when you sail on a river cruise. No endless ocean views, just beautiful scenery that never is the same twice. My number 2 reason is you get exclusive access to hidden gems. Luxury river cruises dock in the heart of cities and charming villages. Step off the ship and you're already immersed in the culture. No long bus rides or chaotic ports. We all know about the recent changes to smaller ports such as Venice and Nice that no longer allow large ocean cruise ships to dock at their ports. And some ocean cruise lines are completely eliminating these ports out of their itineraries. With a river cruise, you never have to worry about this. You literally dock next to the city, and sometimes you make stops in the heart of 2 cities in one day. I experienced this just in March when I took a mountain bike tour and winery event in Estragram in the morning and sailed to Visegrad for a medieval knights tournament in the afternoon. Explore Vienna's historic streets or sip wine in a vineyard, just steps from your ship. I love our number 3 reason, and I'm confident you will too, and that is effortless travel. Forget unpacking and packing at every stop. On a river cruise, your luxurious suite travels with you. Think of the river cruise ship as your floating 5-star hotel. When we plan complex itineraries in Europe, most of our clients have to pack and unpack at least 3 times to explore the countries. With a river cruise, you unpack once and get to explore even more since you are docked right in the heart of the city. Our mantra is, and we feel everyone should agree, oceans take you to countries, rivers take you through them. Last but not least, my top number 4 reason is the endless options of exclusive onboard experiences. Enjoy curated events like playing pickleball while sailing past a castle, yoga sessions at sunrise, wine tastings with local experts, private dining events at a concert hall, and performances inspired by the destinations you visit. The onboard experiences are literally endless, and it's so much fun to experience them. Food, music, drinks are all brought on board that are truly authentic and elevate your river cruise experience while on board the river cruise ship. When you sail on a river cruise, every moment on board is designed to be unforgettable. Thanks for sticking with me as I covered the top 4 reasons a river cruise should be your next adventure. As promised, here's my insider tip. Book your excursions early. Exclusive experiences like private castle tours and behind-the-scenes vineyard visits sell out fast. You don't want to miss these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. And don't forget, when you sail with a premium luxury river cruise line like Talc and Uniworld, these are already included and built into the price. These are the ultimate all-inclusive river cruise experiences you don't want to miss. I've personally sailed on both, and they are my favorites for a reason. I always love to share my travel stories, insider tips, and ways to elevate your river cruise experience. In addition, I lead several groups every year focused on golf, wine, gardening, and any other theme that your group or a family, friends, and colleagues would like to experience. If you want to drop a line with any questions or group inquiries, please feel free to email me at jennifer@dunelakestravel.com or text or call me at 850-253-7683. Thanks for watching. Ready to experience the luxury and magic of a river cruise? Reach out to me today. I'll curate a journey tailored just for you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below so you never miss a travel tip. Hope to see you on my next luxury river cruise adventure. Bye.